Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 6 of our Snazzi Scrappin Advent box unboxing. It's a nice little flat one. I think it could be a die. I can feel a shape down here. Oh yes, what have we got? I might have to actually open this one to figure out what it is. Okay, looks like we have a little label. Make a wish. So that's really sweet too. The little label's really pretty. Alright, so that was day 6. Join me tomorrow for day 7. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.